First, you will need to power up your tester. Input the power plug into the socket and press power on. As the next step, we will connect our high voltage pistols. First, without the start button will be the red one, then second, with the start button will be the blue one. Also, this tester is safety currently limited, so no safety equipment is required. From main screen, we can go to menu. Here we can see all the functions. As the first one, we have editor, where we can choose existing programs or create a new one. The next one, we will single test, where we have insulation test and high voltage test. The next one, we have operation mode, where we can set up our remote control, I/O signals, we can see the results and many more. The next one is a password for the tester and settings, where we can see interface and many languages. And this is the setup for today. I will use our test dummy for high voltage testing. First measuring will be standard measuring of the current, and the second one is for short circuit at 1 kV. I will use our high voltage pistols, which have a safety contact from behind. That means you have to press it with the whole when the pins comes out. The first SP02 is without the start button, but the second one SP03 will start the test for us, as you can see on the display. For the testing, I will use our dummy test program, which contains 6 steps. 4 of them are visual steps just to inform us, and 2 of them are actual measuring. The first one is visual step to inform us what to do. The next one is high voltage, where I will set up 500 volt DC, and as a result I should get 2.5 mA. The next one is also visual step to inform us what to do, and the next one is high voltage test for short circuit. I will set up 1.5 kV DC, and at 1 kV the test should fail because of the short circuit. From here we will go to main menu and start the test program. The first step will be visual text to inform us which pins should we connect. We will take our high voltage pistols and connect the pins. As you can see, 500 volts, 2.5 mA. The next step is also visual step to inform us where to connect, and here near 1 kV we will get the short circuit, which means the test is complete. Then we can take a look on the results, save it on the USB or internal memory. If you want to see more of our products, make sure to visit our website at spselectronic.com. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.